Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to learn Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Students, ABC is a right angle triangle, and we know that the side opposite to 90 degree is the longest side, which is known as hypotenuse, and the side AB, which is perpendicular to the base, is called altitude or perpendicular, and BC is known as base. Okay, students. So we have to write first given ABC is a right angle triangle. Then to prove the square of hypotenuse means AC square is equal to the sum of other two sides, square of sum of other two sides, students. So AB square plus BC square. This we have to prove. Okay, students. There are many methods to prove this theorem. But students, we are learning about similar triangle. So I am going to prove it by using similar triangle method. So to prove this, we have to construct BD perpendicular to AC. So draw BD perpendicular to AC. So in construction we have to write draw BD perpendicular to AC. Now students, we are going to use similar triangle method. So we have to similar two triangles first. I am going to take triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Okay, students. In triangle ABC and triangle ADB, students, angle B equals to 90 degree, ABC, or in this triangle, angle ADB is 90 degree since BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay, students. So we have to write here angle ABC equals to angle ADB, each 90 degree. Now students, in triangle BAC, angle A is there. The same angle is also there in triangle BAD. The same angle is coming means this angle is common in both triangle. So we can write here angle BAC equals to angle BAD common. Now two angles are equal here. So we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity criterion. Students, we know that when triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So AB upon AD equals to BC upon DB equals to AC upon AB. Student, first two letter we will take, then last two letters, then first and last letter. Before taking this, students, you have to remember that second triangle name should be written according to the first one. Okay. So now students, as you know that we need AB square and BC square. So you can see here, if we take AB upon AD and AC upon AB, then by cross multiplication we can get AB square. So that's why we are going to take AB upon AD equals to AC upon AB. So students, I have taken AB upon AD equals to AC upon AB. Now students, AB square equals to AC into AD by cross multiplication method. Student, we have got AB square. This is equation number 1. Now students, by same way, I am going to take the full triangle first, ABC, and triangle BDC. Earlier I took triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Now I am going to take triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Okay students? Triangle ABC and triangle BDC. So students, you can see here angle B is 90 degree and here angle D is 90 degree. So we can write angle ABC equals to angle BDC, each 90 degree. Angle ABC equals to angle BDC, each 90 degree. One more angle is required, student. So you can see in triangle ABC, angle C is there, and angle C is also there in triangle BDC. The same angle is coming. So we can write angle C is common in both. So angle ACB equals to angle BCD. It is common. So again two angles are equal, student, here. So we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle BDC by AA similarity criterion. Okay students, you can see here second triangle name I have written correctly. Here angle B is 90 degree. So at the place of B, D should be there because D angle is 90. And angle C is common in both. So I have written C at last here in first triangle. Then C also last here in second triangle because angle C is common. So always remember, second triangle name you have to write according to the first one. Okay students. Now the ratio of corresponding sides should be equal. AB upon BD equals to BC upon DC equals to AC upon BC by CP ST. Students, we have got AB square. Now we need BC square. So to get BC square, you can see easily BC upon DC and AC upon BC if we are taking, then we can get BC square by cross multiplication. That's why students, I have taken here BC upon DC equals to AC upon BC. So by cross multiplication we get BC square equals to AC into DC, equation number 2. So in first equation, students, we have got AB square. In second equation, student, we get BC square. Now students, this we have to prove AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Means we have to add AB square and BC square. That's why students, we are going to add equation number 1 and equation number 2 so that we can easily get AB square plus BC square. So adding equation number 1 and 2, student. So AB square should be added in BC square. AB square plus BC square equals to AC into AD plus AC into DC. So adding 1 and 2, AB square plus BC square equals to AC into AD plus AC into DC. So student, you can see AC is common. What left inside the bracket? AD plus DC. So AB square plus BC square equals to AC, AD plus DC in bracket. So students, in diagram you can see AD plus DC equals to AC. So at the place of AD plus DC we can add AC. So AB square plus BC square equals to AC into AC. So AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Hence proved, student. So this is Pythagoras theorem, student. Let us solve one question based on this theorem. Question: a wooden ladder 25 meter long reaches a window of the building 20 meter above the ground, determine the distance of the foot of the ladder from the building. So let us draw a rough diagram, student. I have drawn here A, B, C. So AC is ladder. The ladder length is 25 meter. Now height of window of the building from the ground 20 meter. So AB is the height of window. Window is at A. So AB is the height of window. It is 20 meter. We have to find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the building. So this is the foot of the ladder, student. And this is building. So we have to find out BC. So the angle between building and ground is 90 degrees, student. Okay. So in triangle ABC, we can use Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Using Pythagoras theorem, then we can add AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB value, AC value 25 meter equals to AB value 20 plus BC square. So 25 square equals to 20 square plus BC square. It is 625 equals to 400 plus BC square. 625 minus 400 equals to BC square. 225 equals to BC square. BC equals to root 225. BC is equals to 15 because the square root of 225 is 15. So students, we can write the distance between foot of the ladder and the building equals to 15 meter. Okay students? Okay then students, have a nice day.